What is up, guys? It's Scott with Neverhead back for another Metamaterials update, and today was looking pretty bad to start the day, and then we finished really freaking strong, and that is very good to see. I was worried about a red Tuesday killing the momentum on this thing, but we finished absolutely about as strong as we could have finished, up 23 cents and plus 5.2 cents on the day. Look at this RSI actually looking rather strong for once. To end the day, we finished at 72.05, which is a little bit into the overbought category, but the average for the day was right in the mid to high 50s. That's what we like to see, confirming that upward trend. And those MACDs are looking great as well today. Lots of volume at 25.16 million on this. And we're going to get right into the data here, right over here to the dark pool data. So we're showing 53.86% of that volume came through on the dark pool, and looking like almost 13 million shares traded on that dark pool today. But the thing that I want to get to for yesterday is, let's see, right over here. So we have August 30th, total volume reported 58.23 million. Total short volume reported 34.1 million shares shorted. And if we come over here, so this is just exchange reported short volume is 18.2 million. And the total volume on the exchanges for yesterday was 30.4. So yeah, over 50% of that coming on the dark pool. Yeah, 32.1 million on the dark pool. So this thing was getting absolutely tossed around yesterday. Don't like seeing that. Not great. Not great at all. But we did rally back today, and we're up. We're going to keep things rolling tomorrow. All right. So we are on Fintel right now. Looking at the days to cover has gone down quite a bit. They are not showing the short interest percentage of the float. I'm going to see if I can find that on Ortex. All right, so we do have the short interest percentage of the free float, and we're sitting at 7.34%, a change of 20%, mind you, over last week. So they might be closing out those positions. Every key metric here is down quite a bit, except for the exchange reported short interest has not been updated. And look at that, utilization is dropping. That is what we want to see. Free float on loan down 24.5%. Shares on loan down 24.5%. Days to cover down 30.99%. Cost to borrow is down 6.5% to 3.03%. Utilization down 13.07% to 82.82%. 7 days ago, we were right at 95%. Love seeing this, guys. They might be letting this thing run. However, we are looking at only 80,000 shares available to short, and we're having a little bit of a discrepancy between the cost to borrow on Ortex and Fintel. I think this one is more up to date. All right, lots to get to here. First, we got a quick word from the sponsor, ETHBets.org. Join ETH Bets Sportsbook today and receive a 50% welcome bonus up to $500. And they do accept all major cryptocurrencies as well as over 20 ERC and BSC based tokens. They take Shiba, SafeMoon, Doge. Here's an extensive list. And if you don't see your favorite token on their list, you can email them and see if they will accept your preferred token for deposit. All you got to do to create an account is fill out your email and your preferred token for deposit. They will set up your account before you make a deposit. So once your deposit clears, you will be good to go. And we got one bet going off for today. I like the Houston Astros with Lance McCullers, minus 160 over the Seattle Mariners. So moving on, so this is pretty big here, guys. From Metamaterial News Twitter, huge upcoming catalyst. Metamaterials is expected to open their 68,000 square foot state-of-the-art nanotech facility soon, which will scale production for the company. The company is on a 10-year lease and will start making monthly payments of 42,664 USD in September. So tomorrow, Excellent, guys. Super bullish. Yeah, it would be foolish to pay that monthly nut without any contracts. Now, would it? They have loads of money and probably a few contracts that we don't know about, but that is just speculation. So from a couple hours ago, this one is super important about Metamaterials and Nanotech's future partnership here. Nanotech's entire team will be joining Meta, with Nanotech's management taking on key leadership positions. Excellent. Through Meta, we will have access to the technologies and financial resources to advance our strategic goals and accelerate our government contracts, as well as expanding into functional thin films and metamaterial applications for large markets beyond just banknotes and brand protection. Nanotech brings more than 75 years of collective nanotechnology research and production experience. It has issued 47 patents and 22 patents pending, according to release in Thurso, Quebec. Nanotech owns a production facility built to European Central Bank standards. George Palikaris, Meta's president and CEO, said Nanotech is a strategic acquisition for his firm. It will add tested and cost-competitive production technology along with new products and customers to our portfolio. Nanotech also adds complementary skill sets which can support Meta's markets, accelerating our commercialization plans in verticals such as solar energy, 5G, and other antennas, battery and fuel cells, and carbon capture, said Palikaris in the release. Meta plans to support expansion of Nanotech's Thurso, Quebec facility, approximately doubling its production capacity to 15 million square meters over the next 1 to 2 years, while Meta's new 68,000 square foot facility in Nova Scotia will support large OEM licensing opportunities, manufacturing, training, and product application development at pilot scale, combined with our planned expansion in Nova Scotia. The Nanotech acquisition is expected to position Meta as one of the world's leaders in high-volume, low-cost production of optical metamaterials in the world. This is absolutely fantastic news. I've got no doubt that good things are coming ahead for this. I think we're going to be at $5 by the end of the week. You heard it here first. That is pretty much all I got for you today, guys. So as always, please make sure you are subscribed to the channel for more updates on Metamaterials as well as other stocks and tokens we like. And I thank you guys so much for watching this far, and I'll see you in the next video.